Welcome back, everybody. Pumpkin spice season is here. It is upon us. So here to show us how to make delicious drinks that taste just like fall is Maria. We're going to find out how fall tastes in just a second. Joining us, of course, family members LZ, Paige, Ken at the counter, and Debbie's already taking it. Tell her to get started. Now, Maria, you're also you're making these, which I'm very excited about, but you're also helping us check another item off our fall harvest bucket list.
I am here to help you. You guys, we are checking off the fall harvest bucket list because we are checking off grab a pumpkin spice drink and watch Falling for You, which we are so excited because it premieres this Saturday. As you can see here. Oh, I'm so excited also because when I think of fall, I think of pumpkin spiced anything and everything, and Falling for You actually has a pumpkin spice drink in the movie.
You see?
So when you're watching it, you really want to be drinking these and getting all cozy in front of the TV.
Don't they look? Let's just take a look right now. Don't they look pretty cozy?
They look pretty cozy.
Seriously, we've all been sipping.
We can get everybody get cozy together.
And these are perfect for all of your fall. Oh, geez, this is the sweetest thing I've ever.
Oh, we need a blanket.
This makes me so happy. You have no idea. I live to feed people.
We got to catch up to you guys. We're still a few steps behind you. We're getting there.
But when you're like carving pumpkins and doing all the fall things, and my son and my family, of course, loves doing that. So we have Grant with our pumpkins last year.
Look at those pumpkins.
And of course, trick-or-treating. That bag right there, by the way, my mom made, and I still use it because I try to get candy when I trick-or-treat.
Listen,
you know?
I get it. Like I said earlier.
You're small enough to pass.
Yeah, seriously.
Put on a mask, no one will know.
No one will know.
I'm super excited about these also because, I'm out there in the cold cheering on my little cheerleader at all the football games. And this would be perfect to bring to the games. And also, the first one that you're going to show us how to make, you're making in a very large quantity so I can bring the whole crock pot out. Serving it to everybody. I'll be like that dad out there at the cheerleading, right?
Showing up with a crock pot at the football game.
Amazing.
Long extension cords.
I'm all over it.
I would pay money.
And you start this first one with?
Coffee.
Yes.
I mean.
There's coffee in this?
Yes.
So this is a pumpkin spiced latte, my friends. And you are not going to want to go buy this anymore. You're going to want to make it home. Start with some really strong brewed coffee.
It's the only brew that I ever make, strong brewed coffee.
That's the strong brewed, that one's right there. And, these can be very expensive, but you can make this yourself and make it for a crowd. So you want to start there. I do a little pinch of salt. Anytime I do anything sweet, I love adding a little bit of salt.
Okay, great.
Some pumpkin pie spice. I have made my own, my friends, because why not? And it's just better. A little bit of vanilla extract because it gives you that sort of gourmet sweetness you can't really get from anything else.
Very nice.
And this is maple syrup. So the sweetness in here is maple syrup. Our Canadian over here.
Yeah.
And so the other sweetness is sweetened condensed milk.
Stop, that's what it is.
So that's what it is. That is what creates that really sort of caramely sweetness that is just so decadent and rich.
Adds a little of sweetness with that, for sure.
Don't mind me.
And now you can't have this without
pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin puree.
So I might be silly here, but I did not realize that pumpkin spice lattes actually tasted like pumpkin.
Yes.
It tastes like a slice of pumpkin.
A lot
I
of
did not know that.
times, when you take them or you get them at stores,
What did you think they would taste
don't
like?
taste
I know, but it actually tastes like pumpkin.
Yeah.
Like
Well,
a full-on
thanks to Maria.
pumpkin
This
pie.
one does.
So you got your milk and you've got your, what is that there?
So I have whole milk and I have half and half.
Half and half.
Because we're not on a diet. We're just making really, really good pumpkin spice latte.
Listen, if I want to be popular with all my daughter's cheerleading parents, you know what I mean?
That's right, the cheerleading
kids'
parents, they are.
Wow.
Do the math. You can put it together. I'm going to make it as tasty as possible. Can you go like full, half and half? And would that make it a little creamier?
Yes. So when I was testing this recipe out, I tried just milk. I tried all half and half. I did find that there was a perfect balance doing half of each.
Okay.
But you could definitely make it really creamy if you do just all half and half.
You'd let that
Or
sit.
you can do a substitute if you don't have dairy. You could do almond milk, things like that.
Okay.
It will not be as creamy.
All right, wouldn't be as creamy. So you got that going in the crock pot.
That is
Serve
going.
it up like this. We've kind of cheated a little bit. We got a little started. And you like to garnish this and fancy it up. A little cinnamon stuff.
Taste test
Pop it in there.
Pop it in just to reinforce that little bit of spice that's in there.
Now,
I'm
my
using
kids
it
love...
as a straw.
Ooh, that's nice.
We've only been talking about one so far, guys. We got to get on to the second one. The second one is going to be just as good. You guys are going to freak out. It's a hot chocolate, but not just any hot chocolate. Let me get this right. It is
This is hot
pumpkin
chocolate?
white hot chocolate.
Yes.
My kids, everybody's going to love it.
Spiced white hot chocolate. Again, we have our milk in there. It's half and half whole milk. Same thing, same rules apply. You could do all milk or anything like that. So I have this pumpkin pie spice. I have the vanilla, a little bit of salt.
Okay, that's what we get, a
Use
pumpkin.
your pumpkin puree again. Get this on the stove, and once you have it all on the stove, you want it to come to a boil. Whisk it all up. Come to like a slight boil. I'm just like, eating as I go over here. This is chopped up white chocolate.
Stop it.
Right?
Wait, could you do dark chocolate?
You can do anything
Chocolate
you want.
you want.
You could do dark, you could do semi-sweet. I did white because my son doesn't like regular chocolate. I'm not totally sure he's my son.
Your child?
My
But you know
child.
what?
So
Good for him.
I taught him to like white chocolate. So this is
I've done a good thing.
Now,
So I
listen,
thought
you can
it was
have
like
whatever
another
chocolate
type of
you want. It doesn't have to be white chocolate, but this is, I can't wait to taste this one. Can we serve this?
Oh, yeah.
There you go. There you go. Let's get into that.
All right.
And then we got some whipped cream.
It's like soup.
it's like soup.
I mean,
It's white chocolate soup.
It's like a ganache, definitely.
Oh my God.
And just whisk it up until it all is all melted, and you're good to go.
and you go and you melt it
whipped
all
cream
up
in
together.
here as well, I
What do
see.
you guys think? I mean, isn't that delicious?
You can top it with some whipped cream.
LZ,
I don't know where to
so
drink
quiet.
first.
You must be like lost
Honestly.
in a land. And then you put a little.
I don't know which I like
Is this
better.
correct, Maria? Can I be so
please
bold as to
do.
add a little whipped cream in there?
Yes.
You cooking in the kitchen.
Well, that's
Go on,
my
Pam.
favorite place.
Go on.
Here we go.
I don't know where to go first.
Topped off. Yummy.
Cheers.
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 Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Cheers.
Maria.
Happy fall.
Well
Fantastic.
done, Maria. Happy
Happy
fall,
fall.
everyone.
Happy fall.
Happy fall harvest.
My favorite
Cheers. For the
pumpkin.
full recipe, all you have to do is go to hallmarkchannel.com, everybody, and stick around. More from the family next.